Okay, for the sweater, you can choose any color you'd like, and then we'll start with 17 chains. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6, 7. As usual, we'll start with the second chain from the hook, and we're going to do 16 single crochets. And for the sweater, we're going to add chain 1 as turning chain and then turn at every step. So first, 16 single crochets. And then you have 16 single crochets. We'll add 1 turning chain and then turn the work. So from now, again, we're going to start with this chain, the second chain from the hook, single crochet, 1 single crochet, and then 3 single crochet increase in the next one. 1, 2, 3. And then you want 2 single crochets, normal ones, 1, and then 2. And then we will repeat the 3 single crochet increase in the same stitch, 1, 2, 3. Do 6 single crochets in the next 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you want in the next stitch 3 single crochet increase. It is very hard to pronounce today. 1, 2, 3 in the same stitch. Next step, 2 single crochets. 1. Wait a second. 1 and 2. And then 3 single crochet in an increase. 1, 2, 3. And last but not least, 1 single crochet. Oh, someone's here at the door, so I need to go. Last one. And when you're done with the last single crochet, chain 1 for turning chain, and then we'll flip the work. You'll have a little bit of curved look with all these increases. And then we'll continue. We'll do 24 single crochets. You have 24 stitches here. So we'll go ahead from the second chain from the stitch, from the hook. And the last stitch, 24. chain 1, and we'll turn the work. Now we'll make the arm parts. So 1 single crochet, 2, 3, and then 4. And then you want to make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. We'll skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, meaning we'll start from here. So there, it's going to be 8. From here, we'll continue doing 8 single crochets. You skip 4 stitches right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. And then again, the arm part, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains, skip 4 stitches on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, to finish off, 4 single crochets. 2, 3, 4. Chain 1, and then turn. We're going to just go ahead and just do all single crochets all the row, so that will be 24 in total. In the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That was the normal single crochets that we usually do. On this one, we'll do 4 single crochets on these chains. So this will be 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So we have 8 so far. And this was also 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we did the 8 single crochets in the middle. We're going to go ahead and do 4 single crochets on these chains, right? So it's a bit hidden. The first one should be here. First stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one was the normal 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 1 turning chain, and then we'll turn. And then just a normal single crochets all over the row for 24 single crochets. And you want to do this from step 6 to 9. And if you're done with the rows, you don't have to finish the yarn, or you can just continue right away. This is how it's going to look. This is the sweater. And on the back, you don't have to do it. If you want, you can do it, but I usually make the lines on the end of the sweater a little more clean by doing single crochets on the side. It doesn't matter how many single crochets, I just, when you can put the hook through the holes, and just do it on the sides. Maybe this one more, and then I finish it off. All right? And also on the other side, I'm gonna go do the single crochets. And for this one, we're going to use this little button to close it, right? So you need the buttonhole. We'll use the buttons. This hole should be depending on the size of the button. So you can decide when you're making it. Put one chain. I usually go and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think this is about big enough. And then go through this same stitch again and then slip stitch. Then you have a little tiny hole, right? Cut it off. We'll fasten it off now. Get inside. And then tie it. And then we'll hide the yarn again. So I ended up embroidering a lot of flowers, and then you can put it this way, and with the button, you put the button over it. And it turns into a sweater like this. You can make different designs. It's just like your Barbie doll, but with a bunny.